Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Color Club Just My Luck and Moyra 44 stained glass. I've started off with Nailtiques Formula 2 and here is Color Club Just My Luck. Beautiful silver hollow with a flash in it. So here we go. I'm going to go in with my first coat. I love the Color Club hollows. They have amazing formulas. They just go on so smoothly, and you know, really you could probably get away with one coat with a lot of them. I always do 2 coats because I like that thickness on my nail, but I'm telling you, the formulas on these are just excellent, and the hollow flashes out in the sun knock your socks off. It's just gorgeous. I'm going to take Woody and get up under my nail here. I don't want a big clump, and we got some side cleaning to do. A lot of times when I'm in a hurry, I do pull for these Color Clubs, the hollows, because I don't have as much cleanup with them normally. So I really do like that aspect of them. So here's that second coat. We're going to wrap that second coat up. Beautiful. Ugh. I'm going to top it with the Fast and Heart from Vibrant Vinyls. I'm going to dry this one down so we can do some playing. And I'll just be honest, I wore this just as a plain manicure for one day, and that's why I'm topping it with the Fast and Hard instead of my Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. I like them big, thick, glossy top coats. So there we go. I'm going to cap that free edge. And there's a swatch photo of it all on its own. Here's the Moyra Stamping Plate 44 stained glass. And I'll be using these little roses. I guess they're roses. They look kind of like roses. I'm going to fix the lights using that beauty scraper and a bunch of stampers and Braves Diva Game Over to stamp with. I'm going to stamp 3 of these images out. I'm only going to show one from start to finish. I'm going to pick up the image in the black, and then I'm going to fill it in with these OPI color paints. This is Landscape Artist and Pen and Pink and primarily yellow and chromatic orange. So I'm just going to go in and fill the leaves in with the green. Love doing this, and you can do this straight on the nail with, you know, these color paints or the sheer tints or any kind of jellies, and that would be lead lighting technique. But since I'm so shaky, I decided I would just do it on the stamper and make it easier for me today. And I am just going to fill in the leaves and the roses, and I'm going to leave the other parts blank. I could have filled them in. I could have done something different and filled them in, but I wanted to still let some of that color from underneath show. So we're going, making sure I'm getting all these leaves. You know, sometimes your eyes plays tricks on you with these thin lines. And I'm going to go in and add a little more to that one. So now I'm going to just put dots of yellow in the center of all of the flowers. And then we're going to go in with some orange around the yellow a little bit. And I'm not 100% sure if these are like lilies or roses or what, but they're flowers. And, you know, in Tina's world, we just kind of have all kind of crazy colored flowers. And really wanted to do these color combinations. I always think the yellow, orange, and pink, you know, they make such pretty flowers. They also do really nice for gradients. You know, you get that sunset look or whatever. Just very summery to me. I am using that pink now to go in and fill in the rest of these flower images. I'm really, really liking this. Well, like I said, I am doing 3 decals, so I'm going to do 2 accent nails on my fingernails and then 1 on my thumbnail. So I am going to leave a couple of nails blank this time. I know that's a very non-Tina thing to do, but I wanted this one to be a little more elegant, I guess. And I feel like I go crazy all the time with my, you know, every finger's an accent nail. So every once in a while I like to change it up. Love a clear stamper. You can flip it over and look. I'll be using the Pro FX sticky base. You can use any sticky base, Orly Bonder, any other sticky base you have. You can just use regular clear polish. Just let it dry down a little bit, and then it'll help these decals transfer over to your nails easier. It'll make them stick better, I promise you. It's worth doing that little extra step. So there we go. We got it on the nail. I'm going to clean that stamper off on my lint roller. And I'm even going to use the lint roller to pull off this big blob of the decal that's just hanging off. Trying to be careful. And now we're going to go in with some acetone and clean up the rest. I'm going to tap that in. There's a little bit sticking off that tip. And then I'm going to kind of dab down into the crease between the decal and my nail to kind of get that to start breaking up before I start rubbing. There we go with the rubbing right there. I'm going to scrub that out of that cuticle area, sidewall. And I always check up underneath. I don't have anything to deal with today. I'm going to tap that out. And there we go. I'm going to top it again with the Fast and Hard from Vibrant Vinyls. I did go over all the nails, even the ones I left blank. Gave them another fresh coat of top coat. And look how pretty. I really love this one. I just so excited to use that stained glass plate from Moyra. So I'm going to cap in my free edge. But like I said, I loved it, but I would love to hear what you think about it. Hi Woody, how you doing? He making a sneaking visit. He has to visit. It's his thing. But like I said, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about this manicure. And that is it for today. I want to thank you for watching. And until next time, be good to yourself. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.